Wealth management. What is it? Why is it important? This and much more in today's video. Hello and welcome to the Business Class, your YouTube channel, where you learn all about the topic money. Although money and wealth are not everything, you barely get anywhere without in our modern day society. Seemingly everyone nowadays wants to be rich, famous and live a life in wealth, but of course not everyone will manage to do so. However, if you are determined, focused and working hard, you will be able to achieve your goals. So do no longer waste your potential, do no longer wait for your luck to happen from alone. Improve yourself every single day and you will soon start to see the fruits of your success. With my videos, I want to provide you with motivation, knowledge and inspiration, so that you can reach your goals as fast as possible and make the best out of your life. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button, to not miss a single video. Also write a comment with your suggestions and wishes, which content you would like to see more often. And now let's start. What is wealth management? Wealth management is investment advice that combines other financial services to meet the needs of wealthy clients. Using the advisory process, the advisor gathers information about the client's requirements and specific circumstances and develops an individualized strategy using a range of financial products and services. Wealth management often uses a comprehensive approach. A wide range of services can be offered to meet clients' complex needs, including investment advice, estate planning, accounting, retirement and tax services. The fee structure varies depending on the comprehensive wealth management service, but usually the fee depends on the client's assets under management. Understanding wealth management. Wealth management is more than just investment advice. It involves all components of a person's financial life. Wealthy people can benefit more from a comprehensive approach rather than combining the advice and products of several professionals. In this approach, wealth managers coordinate the services needed to manage their clients' wealth and create strategic plans for current and future needs, for example wills and trust services, business succession planning. While many wealth managers may provide services in all aspects of the financial sector, some prefer to specialize in certain areas, such as cross-border wealth management. This may be based on the experience of a particular wealth manager or may be a key area of business in which the wealth manager works. In some cases, wealth management advisors have to coordinate the work of external financial and client service professionals, e.g., lawyers and accountants, to develop the best strategy for the benefit of clients. Some wealth management managers may also provide banking and social services advice. Examples of wealth management. Typically, wealth management offices have teams of experts and specialists from different fields providing advice. For example, consider a client who has $2 million in investable assets and a trust for grandchildren and a recently deceased partner. The wealth management office can manage these funds on a discretionary basis, as well as provide wills and trusts for tax planning and estate planning. Wealth management advisors working directly for investment firms may have greater expertise in investment strategies. While advisors working for large banks may focus on trusts, managing available credit options, estate planning in general and insurance options. In other words, expertise varies from company to company. A little hint for you: if the content of the video is important to you and you want to benefit from it in the future, you can easily save the video to your playlist or click on Watch Later, so that you can watch it again at any time you want. Or, if you don't watch this video as a logged-in member, just save the video as a bookmark in your browser, to always have easy access to it. Wealth management business structure. Wealth management managers may work in a small business or as part of a larger company, usually associated with the financial industry. Depending on the business, wealth managers may work under different names, such as financial advisor or financial consultant. Clients may receive services from a single designated wealth manager or have access to certain members of the wealth management team. Fees for wealth manager services. Advisors may charge for their services in a variety of ways. Some fee-only consultants charge an annual fee, an hourly rate, or a flat fee. Some work on a commission basis and are remunerated on investments sold. Paid advisors earn from a combination of commissions plus fees for the investment products they sell. According to a recent survey of financial advisors, the median advisor commission, with less than $1 million in assets under management, is only about 1%. However, some advisors charge higher commissions, especially if account balances are small. Individuals with large account balances often receive much lower fees, and the median fee decreases as account balances increase. Credentials for wealth managers. To determine which qualifications and training best fit your needs and situation, you should review the professional qualifications. The three main professional qualifications for advisors are Certified Financial Planner, Certified Financial Analyst, and Personal Finance Specialist. Many websites of professional certifying organizations allow you to check to see if a member is in good standing, has had disciplinary actions or complaints. The Financial Industry Regulatory Authority has a tool that explains professional designations. You can also check to see if the issuing organization accepts complaints, if it requires continuing education, or if you have a way to verify who owns the certificate. A wealth manager's strategy. Wealth managers begin by developing a plan to preserve or increase their clients' assets based on their financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance. The key is to coordinate every part of the client's financial situation, whether it's tax planning, wills or inheritance, to protect the client's wealth. This can coincide with financial projections and retirement planning. Once the initial plan is in place, the manager meets regularly with the client to update goals, review and rebalance the financial portfolio. At the same time, they may find out if additional services are needed. The ultimate goal is to continue providing services throughout the life of the client. How much do wealth managers earn? According to Indeed, the average salary for wealth managers in the U.S. in 2022 was $79,395.60. Are wealth managers the same as financial planners? Some financial planners are both wealth managers and planners, but the main difference between financial planners and wealth managers is that financial planners focus on assets and investments, while planners also consider daily family finances and insurance needs. And if one day, you want to build up your own business or you have one already and want it to grow much bigger and faster, always have in mind that starting a successful business and earning money takes time. You need perseverance and a lot of stamina. It's like you growing a small plant right from the seed. You never know how fast it will grow, how tall it will get and how many fruits you will be able to collect. It is the same with every business. Some work great, some flop and some could become very successful. But people way too often resign much too early. So follow my advices, try out different methods and sooner or later, you will find the one that suits you the most, that fits best to your skills and knowledge and you will have a well-earning business. No matter if you want to make money online, by affiliate marketing, drop shipping or even stocks, everything is possible. And even though growing a business and making money can sometimes be a lengthy and tedious issue, it's all worth it at the end. Just stay focused to your goals, work smart and hard, spend your time and resources effectively, be persistent and sooner or later, you will have success, you will reach your goals and earn enough money to live the life you ever dreamed of. I hope this video was helpful for you and I was able to impart knowledge to you, give you new ideas or simply inspire and motivate you to change your life in a positive way. If so, please leave a like and write me your opinion and content requests in the comments. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to not miss a single video. Thank you very much for your interest and especially for your time. And hopefully, we see us in the next business meeting.